When someone you love dies, the practical tasks can feel overwhelming. AfterLoss is a quiet, steady guide through everything that needs doing. This is your dashboard, a personalised checklist of everything that follows a death, tailored to your situation and your jurisdiction. Tasks are grouped by phase, so you always know what comes next and what can wait. The communications page is where you notify banks, employers, utility providers, government departments. AfterLoss prepares the words for you, phone scripts and email drafts, organised by category, ready for every conversation you'll need to have. Each message is personalised. The deceased's details, account references, your role as executor, all filled in from your case automatically. Open it, check it, reads the way you want, then copy, paste and send. The death certificate, the will, insurance policies, probate forms, funeral invoices. AfterLoss gives you one safe, organised place to keep every important document. So when an institution asks for proof, you can find it in seconds. Where did they keep the deeds? The pension paperwork? Their passport? Whereabouts lets you record where every important item is kept. At home, in a safe, with a solicitor, so nothing goes missing in the months ahead. National insurance number, date of birth, mother's maiden name. The string of details every institution will ask for again and again. AfterLoss keeps them in one place, so you never have to dig through drawers mid-phone call. You don't have to carry all of this on your own. Invite family or close friends to join your case. Give them read-only access to keep them informed, or full access so they can share the work alongside you. You don't have to do this alone. Start your free case at afterloss.uk.